Hi, my name is Vishal Suban and today we are going to talk about some candlestick patterns. There are many patterns under the candlestick universe, but as a part of the candlestick video series, we are going to cover the most important and relevant patterns used widely by traders. Today, we are going to introduce you to the Harami pattern. A Harami pattern is a two-candle reversal pattern where the first candle usually has a long body and the second candle has a small body. The second candle is generally opposite in color to the first candle. Harami patterns can be classified into bullish and bearish patterns. A bullish Harami pattern generally appears at the bottom and signifies a reversal in the trend of the stock. In this pattern, a small bodied green candle, including the wicks, appears immediately after a big bodied red candle. In other words, the entire green candle must be within the range of the first candle. Bearish Harami pattern. A bearish Harami pattern generally appears at the top and signifies a reversal in the trend of the stock. In this pattern, a small bodied red candle, including the wicks, appears immediately after a big bodied green candle. In other words, the entire red candle must be within the range of the first candle. Thank you for watching and hope these videos will be useful to all.
This should not be treated as a recommendation. Please conduct your own analysis or consult a financial advisor before investing.